feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Fetal hiccups feel like gentle rhythmic tapping or light fluttering inside the belly. These repetitive movements come from the baby's diaphragm contracting and can start as early as the second trimester. Unlike kicks, hiccups are more consistent and less forceful, offering a unique, soothing reminder that your baby is growing and active.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.